What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Dr. Nina, and this week has been tough. I don't know if I'm going or coming. It's been rough. No cap, like the kids say. You know what I'm saying? But basically, today, I want to make sure I inform you of my grown woman self-maintenance routine tips, okay? Some of that hair removal that I do and skincare and anti-aging. So I also want to hear from you. Let me know some of the things you're doing down below and hit me with your like, y'all. It gets me in your algorithm and it's absolutely free and gets others to join the community. Now let's get into this video. I'm feeling as sluggish as a first grader after recess. Okay, so I need some liquid chlorophyll. I'm going to get a little bit. It's midday, and I'm going to have a few drops in here. Usually 10 to 15 does the job with re-energizing, boosting the immune system, things like that that I've seen some benefits of for myself. I also like to get a little bit of probiotics in my system to support that healthy digestion, and I'm finding different ways to get that, and tea has been one that has been great for me. So I get the warmth of the tea as well as the ginger and the probiotics. It's a win-win, okay? As well as making sure that I just take some time to have some sushi. Yes, this is my feel-good food. I've told y'all I love sushi. It's my guilty pleasure. Some spicy edamame, and I gets it in. I even have my own like 10 pairs of chopsticks, stainless steel. I've linked those as well down below for you with all the things in this video. But I'm gonna have some and make sure that I enjoy myself. A part of me taking care of myself, a part of me maintaining is doing nice things for me. And Sean Bay is gone. He out of town. So I get to have all the sushi to myself. Okay. Now, also, we have a nice, wonderful Flourish candle. This candle was created by a YouTuber. Her name is Rissa Explains It All. So I'll have her link down below to her store. I love her stuff. And also, yeah, I'm tired as a first grader. I also look like a first grader by the head. My head is a mess. I ought to be shamed. This is the result of having an old blowout. I done had a ponytail with it. I have done all kinds of, my hair is just, it's not right. It's not right, but we gonna make it right. Okay, we're in the business of getting things together around here. We're maintaining. So I like to take a little time when I'm maintaining to scratch my scalp a little bit, sort through my hair and make sure it's relieved of any knots or things of that sort. And y'all know I love my JBL waterproof speaker, which I can put in the shower and jam to. Yes, it's waterproof and it just, it helps me to zone out. Now I love this Nivea Pampering body wash, which is different from my normal washes y'all have seen me use, but I have told you that I've been trying out some new things and this is one of them. Feels good, thick and rich, especially with my new African sponge, which is getting me nice and cleansed, makes it easy for me to wash that back and them legs and them arms and making sure I feel nice and exfoliated. Now going into that hair. With hair as dry and brittle as a candle wick this week, I am using Function of Beauty, which you all have seen me collaborate with before, and they are sponsoring today's video. I'm using their co-wash today. And the cool thing is that they're launching the world's first custom co-wash for curly and coily hair. Y'all, their method in helping you get the co-wash for you is so thorough. My hair is an interesting mix of curly and coily, yet thick and fine strands as well. I've used their shampoo, conditioner, and deep conditioner before, but now with their co-wash, I'm finding it to be very helpful for my hair. It contains a blend of shea butter, Jamaican black castor seed oil, avocado oil, also quinoa, as well as aloe juice. And this helps with making my hair softer, helps to reduce the breakage, split ends. It also assists with any other damage, helping to lead to a healthier, stronger head of hair. And what I also love about it is their products are silicone free, free of drying alcohols, softens and detangles the hair, and removes surface buildup as well while it conditions. And when I've used their products in the past, I've noticed my hair felt so soft, so good, so clean as well without all the buildup. And that's what I've really enjoyed about them. So I've also enjoyed that with my hair type, their co-wash works really well because I'm able to find my hair goals and get things customized straight to what I need them to be. The quiz that they have you take makes it foolproof and it makes it easy for you to get exactly what you need. My usual goals are to moisturize and strengthen and protect from split ends. Not only am I customizing for the things that help to enrich my hair, but also right down to the color and the scent of the product. And it's customized right to me with my name on the bottle. Now, how dope is that when you've had a hard week? After styling, my hair looked amazing. It was soft and it was moisturized. And I also trust their products because they're dermatologist tested and I know they won't irritate my sensitive scalp. Your big sis and auntie always got your back, so get 20% off your co-wash bottle when you click the link in the description. Going back to that shower, usually before I get out, I hit a quick and smooth shave, and I'm going to be using my Billy razor today, which I absolutely love those almost as much as I love my Hydro Silk. Yes, I'm admitting it. And some Pure Silk shave cream, and I'm just hitting them legs real quick, shaving in the direction I should based on my hair growth. Today I'm using my Paula's Choice Weightless Body Treatment, which has salicylic acid. So it's great for basically giving the skin a great exfoliation feel. It has no scent at all. So for those of you all that are scent sensitive, it is great and it is moisturizing. And I do find that it leaves my skin feeling nice and soft. And I'm using my almond oil mix that I make myself with a little lemongrass oil for today, just to give me a little bit of added lock-in of that moisture. And here's my hair. I was wrapped up in a t-shirt because I find that towels snag my hair, as y'all know. And I'm just going through making sure that I work through it with some leave-in conditioner and ensuring that I'm going through it with my brush with the Best Brush by Felicia Leatherwood, and defining my curls and coils with just a little bit of Eco Styler gel. So today I'm keeping it real simple because I don't have a lot of time. A part of maintenance and grown woman habits is being skimpy on the time. I'm going to be honest, but you got to be effective. You still got to take care of yourself. And so I'm just going through my hair, making sure it's all good. I should also mention that Function of Beauty sent me this beautiful scarf, y'all. Beautiful scarf to tie my hair up with, and I absolutely love it. It is a bob. Usually I diffuse my hair, but at a time like this, I am not willing to risk the time. I want to keep all my time reclaiming it, okay? And normally I sugar my pits, but I didn't have enough growth today to do that, and y'all have seen me do that on camera. I've linked that video down below in order to keep the pits nice, hair-free, as well as very clear and clean. And I'm going to deodorize my pits with my Native Peppermint plastic-free deodorant. And I'm also going to be cleansing my teeth with my flosser, my Panasonic flosser. Y'all, I love this thing. I use it like 5 times a day to clean my teeth. And also my Philips Sonicare toothbrush. I said that all the way wrong, but y'all know what I'm talking about. The Lord knows my heart. Normally I use my Optic White pen. It's just a quick pen that you brush over your teeth in order to help with the whiteness of your teeth, but we going professional tonight. I'm using my professional whitening tray straight from my dentist, and I'm going to be using the high-powered bleach tonight. Not that I want to bleach my teeth, but in preparation for my soon-to-come wedding, I want to be looking good, bright and white in my teeth, okay? So I'm just gonna let those sit, and I usually time that, so I usually don't go very long. I usually go for 10 minutes at a time, see how my gums feel, make sure I'm not feeling irritated, and go from there. And now it's time to wash my face. Just going back to my old school Purity Made Simple. Y'all know I've always loved that. No matter what I wash my face with here and there, Purity is one of my staples. So I'm doing that because I want to keep my skin very much non-irritated, because I'm going to be removing hair today. So I'm going to be using my Chic face tool in order to remove my facial hair. Y'all have seen this in several videos, and I still use this thing. It's still the same one, still on the same doggone battery. The battery still has not run out. So I've linked that down below for you. And I absolutely love this thing because it gets rid of not only the peach fuzz, but the fuzz that grows underneath my chin that ain't so peachy. Okay. And in other places like my cheeks, I'm one hairy young lady, and I'm okay with that. I'm fine with it. I've come to terms with it, but this thing really does leave me feeling soft and smooth. But I also like to go back in for some specific touch-ups in specific areas that need a little bit more extra love. I like to take some aloe vera gel. That's what works best for me to keep my skin from getting irritated immediately after removing hair, and also to remove hair. I know some people use olive oil, but I'm going to be going in with also my Chic little razor. This is just one of those good throwaway razors. Make sure yours is clean. And also, if you're going to be doing face shaving, understand some myths about it. It does not make your hair grow back thicker or darker. I find that my hair grows back just the same, and I don't have to do this often. Maybe once a month is what I've started to do. I didn't used to shave my face, but I started doing it again, and I absolutely love it. It seems to remove dirt, build up, all kinds of things. And I know people say it helps with makeup application, but for me, it's just really about keeping my skin feeling good and smooth. And so now those fine tuning touches, other than those things, I like to make sure I go in and groom my brows. My brows are pretty thick, and that's the way I like them. And I like to go in with some tweezers, not to change the shape or the form of my brows, but to remove any hairs that are sticking up and sticking out. Y'all know how it go. They can get out of hand. And once I'm done with critiquing the brows, I like to go in with my Vanity Planet steamer. I love this thing. It really gets to the point. It even helps with my hair and putting back some hydration and moisture there. And I'm going in with my Pure eye treatments. These have hyaluronic acid in them, so they're really locking in the moisture in my eyes. You'll notice I'm not doing a lot of serums or anything after like I normally do with my facials, but I don't do that after shaving my face on purpose because it is a little bit more susceptible to breakouts, especially if it gets irritated. So I try to keep away from putting too much on. I also tone with my hydrating Stone Crop Hydration toner, which helps with dark marks and scars. And I'm using my Renewed Hope in a jar for my moisturization. I have the day and night formula. But today I'm also going to go in on them brows and them lashes, okay? Because we're doing some maintenance and we're making sure we're staying together. So I'm using Grand Lash and Grand Brow, which I love their products. They're a little pricier and they're a little more luxury beauty. Don't get me twisted here or get it twisted. They're great though as a three, there couldn't be a pair, but three of them for helping with eyelashes and eyebrows. They not only help to condition, but the serum helps to protect so that your eyelashes and eyebrows can grow more in order for them to stay stronger longer. So I do like their stuff and their products. It seems to work pretty well for me and others. Go read the reviews over on Amazon. I removed those trays because I'm not trying to lose my gums, okay? And then I also brush a little, floss a little bit more just to rinse in between the teeth yet again. And then I'm going to go into my lips with my Fenty Beauty, the little pencil thing that she had. I won't call it a pencil, but it's for your lips, a lip scrubber. I absolutely love this thing. It's so convenient. I travel with it. It makes it easy for me to exfoliate my lips whenever I need to, and it makes it fun because it looks like lipstick. And I just rub that around and wipe off the excess. And now I'm using the Laneige Night Lip Mask. Y'all, this thing, these things, this stuff, it's amazing. It's amazing. Leaves my lips so kissable and soft, okay? Even if I'm just kissing myself. And also, I love these Mighty Patches. Don't know if y'all have heard about them, but they don't have medication or anything in them. They just protect any blemishes or bumps you might have on your face and allow them to heal instead of you touching on them. Because when we touch on our face, we make it worse. And now for those nails and cuticles in between my nail sets, I like to make sure that I'm taking care of those cuticles. And I'm using this OPI oil. Y'all, smells like heaven, but it's also very nourishing, very soft, not super heavy or thick, but it gives my nails and my cuticles the nourishment that they need and deserve. And I repeat that with my toes as well, because you can't have bomb nails and your toes look like you've been walking on barbed wire. Not cute, not nice at all. So I take care of my feet as well in between pedicures. Now I'm going to use my Louis Vuitton new scent that Bay got me for my birthday. And I love spraying this on even before bed. It's just a nice and enriching scent. And that's all for the evening, y'all. Please make sure that you comment, share this video with someone who can use it, and subscribe. I hope y'all have enjoyed my little maintenance routine for grown women. Okay, we got to take care of ourselves even when things get busy, even when time gets rough, and hopefully this has provided some ways to do that and make it easy for you. Y'all, Beautiful Brown Baby Doll signing out. Peace. Check the links in the description for my free new Dr. Nina's Mentorship Facebook group, which is a group of like-minded individuals looking to progress, grow, and support one another along the way. The Now That's Life podcast is about to go into season 2, so I suggest you go ahead and subscribe to the podcast on all your major podcasting platforms. All descriptions and links for that and my free supernatural video course are found below. Thanks so much for all the love and support over on my new website. If you haven't already, go ahead and check it out and join me for new ways to interact with me, giveaways and prizes, weekly emails, as well as my free 8-day supernatural video course, which is free when you sign up.